Amin na ni Mayor na nagawa kaya lahat sila pumapalakpak. Meron yung malapitan sa Caloocan na tumatatak. Let me hear you say Mayor Along malapitan, batang kaluluwa. Mayor Along malapitan, yes, number one mayor ko sa Caloocan City. Mayor Along, Mayor mo, Mayor Along, Mayor ko, go. Batang Kangkalu, batang Kangkalu, batang Kangkalu, batang Kangkalu. Along, Mayor Along, malapita, tunay na malasakit sa batang Caloocan. Serbisyong tapat, aksyon agad ang nangyari. Mayor Along, malapitan, tunay na batang Kangkalu. Along, 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 batang Kangkalu. Along, along, batang Kangkalu. Along, 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 batang Kangkalu. Along, along.
We are MY Crew from North Caloocan City. Please like and share our video entry.
And also, don't forget to follow Mayor Along Malapitan's Facebook page and TikTok account.
Thank you for watching!
Guys, are you ready for this?
1, 2, 3, 4, God! 5, 6,